After fighting the NRM government for so long, now I sit in the cabinet. As Minister of Justice and Constitutional Affairs, under what we call a cooperation agreement. We are in a convoy. We are not in the bus. We are in our own vehicle, but we are in a convoy. That means we have control of our vehicle. If we don't like the direction, we can turn anytime. But so far, so good. Thank you very much. Mbarara, God is good and all the time. Mwebale kutwakira, ebanyeta Nobert Mao. Your Grace, the Archbishop, and all the clergy, my colleagues, ministers, members of parliament, all the leaders, and the choir. My fathers, my mothers, my brothers and sisters, and our children. Your Grace, I start by confessing the sin of late coming. I should have been here much earlier. My correct title is actually President General of the Democratic Party. It is the NRM which has a chairman, a national chairman. But sometimes they even call me Chairman General. In Uganda, they call me Senkagale. Senkagale started as an insult against Benedicto Kiwanuka, because there are those who wanted to put a split between him and the Kabaka. So they started spreading rumors that he does not respect the Kabaka, that ye Kagala. They even accused Archbishop Joseph Kiwanuka of not respecting the Kabaka. But that is politics. People will always tell lies about you. And I'm sure you've heard many about all the politicians here. I'll also tell you some of the lies that are being told about our friend, MP Robert Mwesigwa. My becoming chief guest is an accident. Nobody invited me from here to be chief guest. Not the church, not the parish priest. It is an accident because the speaker decided that since she cannot come, I should come and represent her. But I'm not complaining. Not all accidents are bad. There are some things you don't choose. Your Grace, you may have known that my father is from Gulu, but my mother is from Isingiro, a place called Ngarama in Bukanga. So, my MP is also the Honorable Bright Ramirama from Isingiro. I'm part of the Isingiro Brotherhood. Another accident is that after fighting the NRM government for so long, now I sit in the cabinet. Justice and Constitutional Affairs under what we call a cooperation agreement. We are in a convoy. We are not in the bus. We are in our own vehicle, but we are in a convoy. That means we have control of our vehicle. If we don't like the direction, we can turn anytime. But so far, so good.